Hey there. Want premium banking with no fees, unlimited ATM rebates, and seamless integration with your investments? Using the Schwab Bank checking account turns your brokerage into a full financial command center. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. The Schwab Bank High Yield Investor Checking Account is linked to your brokerage. It comes with a Visa debit card, free checks, and no monthly fees. The killer feature, it rebates all ATM fees worldwide at the end of each month. Use it for direct deposit, bill pay, and everyday spending. Your uninvested brokerage cash can be swept into the checking account as needed. My crucial pro tip? Use it as your primary travel account. Because of the unlimited worldwide ATM fee rebates and no foreign transaction fees, this is arguably the best debit card to carry abroad. You can get local currency anywhere at the best possible exchange rate. That's how you upgrade your everyday banking to a truly global, premium service. Have you tried using this account for international travel? What was your experience? Share below. For more guides on elite financial tools, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.